Good morning. Yeah, it's morning. You just wouldn't know it. Sun's not up yet. Getting ready to drive off, heading to Atlanta this morning to AP3 to get the Mustang wrapped, ceramic coated, and ready to go. So let's get on the road. I plugged the Mustang in overnight. I've charged it to 100%, which I usually hate doing. However, got 150 some odd miles today, and I need to make sure it's charged well. Wrap the cord one-handed. It's okay. Okay, we're good. All right, let's get out of here. Got a long way to go. It's 150 miles this morning, and we'll get this done. Oh, yeah. You gotta shut that thing. Okay, let's do it. Let's see if the navigation is up for it today. 1815 Hembry. Oops. And that's in Alpharetta. Yeah, this is the one. 1815 Hembry Road, Alpharetta. Okay, we go through it. We're started. Let's see, hopefully it will...
Obey traffic laws, be alert and use voice commands while driving. Please drive to highlighted route.
It says 179 miles. We've got 232 in the clock. I'm going to try something. I understand if you change the drive mode, it supposedly also changes the range. No change. All right, we're gonna go and engage today. I'm not sure what that does. 232 miles should be fine. It says 180 miles. We've got it by 52 miles, so it should be okay. Just for fun, let's just see what the octopus says. And looks good. The octopus is much longer than our distance, so I think we're good to go. Let's hit the road. Just rolling here at 5:41. We are out on the interstate. Set the cruise control and we're good to go. Got 174 miles to go, it says. We're gonna stop, get a Scottish breakfast. Look at that, get over there. Yeah, don't forget where you're going. Holy crap. Let's get some Scottish breakfast. We're back on the road.
Right lane, then take the ramp on the right.
Just getting on Interstate 85. We had a 52 mile buffer, I think it was, 170 to drive. I don't know, but we're at 30 over now. So I'm not sure, we're gonna have to watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and switch now to where I was at Whisper. Maybe it's better efficiency or something. See how that goes. Here in traffic in Greenville, I-85, heading to Greenville traffic here now. More Greenville traffic. Yeah, this co-pilot loves hit 6:35. We're still on I-85 headed to Atlanta. Navicomputer says 139 miles to go. Looks like we'll have a little more range, so that's good. I think we're good here. Got now 37 miles of range over our destination here. Got 93 miles to get off the interstate. Welcome to Georgia. The sun's coming up here on Interstate 85. It's kind of nice driving in the dark all morning. This is the S&K battery factory that apparently will be powering Fords and Volkswagen ID4. As you can see, looks like they finally got power to it, and it may be up and running. I don't know. These batteries are supposed to power the Ford products and also the Volkswagen products here in North America. As the sun's coming up. This is interesting. I ended up going to the internal navigation, and it wanted to take me all the way down here to the loop and then back up to Alpharetta. So I went ahead and brought up Google Maps on my phone, and of course CarPlay was activated, and it wants me to go right across town. So I don't know, I think I'll probably just go through town like Google says. But what's interesting is the internal navigation stopped working. It's not routing me anymore, and I don't get it. It's two separate things, but apparently they stop internal navigation for whatever reason. Anyway, so I will resort to CarPlay. This is our exit here off Interstate 85.
In 1,000 feet, use the right two lanes to turn right onto Georgia 317 North Lawrenceville-Sewanee Road. Signs for Lawrenceville-Sewanee Road.
Now we cut across.
Use the right two lanes to turn right onto Georgia 317 North Lawrenceville-Sewanee Road. Signs for Lawrenceville-Sewanee Road.
Yes, I know.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto North Owl Parkway.
Here we are in Atlanta traffic. Oh boy. I am getting ever closer. 8.9 miles, 20 minutes. Oh man, I guess that's Atlanta traffic for you. We are here at AP3. I'm leaving the Mach E. They're going to go ahead and PPF it and clear using Expel PPF. They're also going to add a ceramic coating over the PPF, which helps repel dirt and crap and everything else. I pick it up Saturday, so now I've got to walk probably half a mile and go to the Enterprise rent car and rent a car, drive back to North Carolina. Shout out to Justin here in his Model Y getting paint protection film. I walked probably a little mile and a half here to the Enterprise rent car from AP3, and I'm in this Toyota whatever, I don't know what it is, probably doesn't say. Anyway, it's essentially on empty. I've got to go put some fossil fuel in it and then head home. Oh yes, got creep. We'll get out here in traffic. I think there's a gas station on the way back in. Haven't done this in a while. What the heck? They got some crappy music coming out of the machine. How nice. There you go. This is quite interesting. This cheapo beepo Toyota I'm in has lane keeping. Well, see, just as I was bragging about it, it can't keep lane either. It's keeping lane and keeping distance. So there you go. It's interesting. It's very rudimentary. It's maybe from excellent to great to good. It's below good by okay, I guess is where I'll class the Toyota lane keeping and lane following thing here. Just an okay.